Farewell, Droitwich. I've been here too long and it's time to move on. So today, I'm going to take Ella up the 6 locks at Astwood. Into Stoke Prior, hopefully be at the bottom of Big Flight by the end of the weekend. 6 locks. I'm going to have to single hand them, which is nonetheless daunting. But oh well, I think I'm ready for the challenge now. I've rolled myself 6 cigarettes, 1 for every lock today. I'm starting a bit early, I'm having a fag now, because often starting off is the hardest part. I'm also having a red stripe because it's the only way I could motivate myself to just get up and get through these 6 locks, because you know, it's still a pretty daunting prospect doing 6 locks on your own. And this isn't like Worcester, you know, it's way out in the middle of nowhere, so there aren't going to be kindly passers-by. And also because it's out of season, it's not terribly likely we'll encounter much traffic coming one way or the other. Hello, can you still see me? Okay, so that's the first lock of the day up ahead, but it looks like someone's moored up on the lock landing, which is somewhat inconvenient. I'm not boat coming! Now that's the kind of luck you hope for. Here you are, single-handing on a lock, and there's a boat coming your way. And luckily, because I've started draining it, the lock's in my favour, so I've got priority. They're going to have to let me through, which is nice. I say, you got to speed me on my way? very much indeed. It's a lovely start of the day. Thank you. Thank you very much, my dears. What's your name?
My name's
Andy.
Andy.
Callie. Thank you very much indeed, my dears. It's much appreciated.
Yourself.
I'll put you in the movers. Your heroism will not go unrecorded. Anyway, are you going far?
Just towards Prevail. We're only about 2 knots from here, so no distance.
Oh, not too far then. Mind, it gets like African Queen territory down there. Anyway, Godspeed, bon voyage. You know, that was such a nice start to the day. So I think, because there's about a quarter of a mile between here and the next lock, time for a fag. Time for a swill, chin chin. Radiant. Now the worrying thing about this lock is the bridge rather obscures my view, so I'm a bit worried that the rush of water might unhitch Ella. She wasn't very well tied when I left her. Again. Boat coming! All right, mate. Oh, that's all right. Well, just pretend you're talking to me and ignore the camera.
All right. Where are you heading to?
Well, today I'm going to Stoke Prior,
Yeah.
and Sunday I'm going to get to the bottom of Tardebig. I'm aiming to get to the bottom of Tardebig by the end of the month, and then winter in Alvechurch, be close to my wife.
Oh, right. Yeah, I've just come from Alvechurch.
Oh, how was it?
It's all right. There was room there to moor when I was there.
Oh, that's good. Well, I won't be there till December with any luck. Anyway, thank you very much. You've helped things immeasurably, sir. Thank you. Another coup for lucky Captain Ted. This is the second lock I've come to. There's been a boat coming, so I've had some help getting through the locks. I'm just waiting for this fella to pull his boat in, and then I'll be on my way. Godspeed, sir. And thank you very much. Doesn't seem to want to come. Okay, so this is the third lock. I'm almost halfway through. There's another 3 to go. They're quite close up, so what I'm going to do is while Ella's rising up here, I'm going to go and set the lock ahead and get it ready. Save me having to tie up a wee bit. Ella's just down there in the next lock, and it looks like she's, reached the right level. I'm waiting for this lock to go down, and I can set it and bring Ella straight in. And then while this lock's filling up, I'll set the next one and close the gate on that one. It saves a bit of time and saves me having to faff about with tying up. Hi, this is another coup. There's a boat coming. That's nice. I've already set the lock in my favour, so they're going to have to let me through. But a boat coming, that means that this penultimate lock, and maybe even the last lock, will be much, much easier. So, chin chin. Ooh, this is going to be a big clang. Dash! Bloody hell, it's like the Dodgems. You say you'll keep the lock for me?
I'll do the lock for you, yeah.
That's brilliant, thank you very much, and like I say, keep those gates open. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, single-handing. Extremely foolish, but unlike you, I had red stripe rather than tribute. Aye. Well, my thanks very much. Thank you very much, gentlemen. What's your names, chaps? Graham. Graham and Mark. Thank you very much indeed. I will now. Now you've set that final lock for me. It's all a cakewalk from here. Thank you very much indeed. And like I say, it will be recorded. Your deeds of valour will not go unremembered. If you get a chance, look up Ted Hockin. H-O-C-K-I-N. Ted Hockin. Imagine you're coughing up phlegm. Hockin, that's my surname. Look me up on YouTube. Thanks, chaps. And bon voyage. Godspeed to you. I shall render passing honours to the Elaine. Thank you very much indeed. I'm so happy to have seen you. Last lock of the day, and you made it so much easier for me. Thank you very much, chaps. If you want to see yourselves immortalised on film, look up Ted Hockin on YouTube. Ted Hockin. H-O-C-K-I-N. Chin chin. Thank you very much, chaps. Thank you. Come on, Ella. For once today, I want to get you in the lock without a bang. Ooh. Ooh. Well, more of a nudge than a bang, I suppose. You from Stoke Prior?
No.
Thank God for that. They shoot their swans here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they shoot their swans. Aye. Anyway, this has been a very easy day's locking for me. Out of 6 locks, 4 of them have had boats coming.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Well, I don't suppose you'd be kind enough to close the gate for me, would you?
We will, because we'll, I mean,
That's lovely. I'll be straight on my way and more up for the night. Thank you very much indeed. Afternoon. Looks rather good up there. I might moor up there. Aye. Lovely. Thank you very much. I think this might be a job for the mooring pins. So yeah, I'll get under this bridge and I'll moor up. It's close enough for one day. Oh. Here we go. It might be a mooring pin job though. I don't much like the look of this side. It just yeah, moor up just about there, hopefully. Moor up just about there. Well, so much for mooring up there. Those 3 boats took up all the AMCO, so I'm just going to have to keep going on. Oh dear. I might be able to squeeze in at the water point. It wouldn't do too well to stay there too long. Cool. So there we are, 6 locks at Astwood, and not all of them single-handed, but generally speaking, single-handed up here. And you know, there was so much excitement, so much action. I've still got 3 cigarettes left, so I think I'll have a fag now and calm my nerves. Not a bad show all in all. That's 6 locks down, 36 to go.
Of higher boaters once I moaned, but glad to see them when alone, who'd save this posh boy weak and fey over the hills and far away, o'er the hills and o'er the ridge to Alf Church and Tardy Big CRT Command.